You guys, I literally just started this video with all this on my face. Baby, I have been in drag all morning. How is the foundation? How is everything? Is everything set? Oh my gosh, you guys, I have literally been in drag all fucking morning. Hold on, let me just do a few quick fucking things. So first thing is that when you wear a wig cut, you gotta like spray it down because this literally keeps on all day. Fuck a clip, fuck all that. And then now we gotta bring some life back into my skin, right? So I love Luminous Setting Spray from Morphe. Oh, it just brings life back. It just I don't know. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be a fucking video today, I promise you. Get fucking ready. By the title of this video, you already know what this video is gonna be about. It's gonna be it's gonna be a very colorful video. I'm gonna play with some color today. I'm actually gonna play with some really cool colors today. Two, it's all about BPERFECT cosmetics today, and I'm gonna tell you guys why, because I really have to tell you guys why. I now officially am a part of the BPERFECT cosmetic family. Honestly, you guys have been asking if I have a code. And you know, strategically, you guys, I only have codes with brands that I truly love. This is just for me to help you guys out and save some money. And also, honestly, like, it's my relationship to the brands. And I'm gonna keep it fucking honest. And I know a lot of influencers don't say this. Yes, codes do bring money, do bring revenue into the pocket. Now, I'm not, you know, a James Charles. I'm not like someone that's gonna make like fucking thousands of dollars on it. But let me tell you something. I can tell you guys right now, you guys have my loyalty, that if I do have a code with the brand, it's because I do love it and I want to do what I can to help give you guys a discount. That's why I have these codes. Now, I have rejected a lot of codes. You know what I mean? So like when I do speak about codes, it's because I owe loyalty to the brand. They take such good care of me. They're amazing people to work with. They communicate back and forth. Their products are one of my favorites and I want to share that with you guys. So I have some BPERFECT in the studio and I now officially have a code with BPERFECT Cosmetics. So you guys can now shop on bperfectcosmetics.com or check out their Instagram and use my code Kimora20. So now you guys are able to save 20% off on product. I'm so excited. Like 20% off is, y'all don't understand, like that's actually one of the most like highest percentages I can give of all my codes. I want to say, obviously, you guys, I'm a Morphe baby for life. I do believe I do give you guys 10% off, but 20% off on BPERFECT, you guys, is fucking gorge. Like that's a fucking gorgeous discount. So I am so excited to be a part of the BPERFECT team. Thank you so much to BPERFECT Cosmetics for allowing me to be a part of your family, and I can't wait for the future and what it holds on collaborations and parties and just celebrations and honestly launches. You guys, I need fucking makeup. Y'all listen, the only way to win my heart is to give me makeup and to give me new launches, collaborations, surprises, and I hope all these brands stop using all these same old fucking faces, girl. Like I'm so over fucking seeing the same bitches with the same liner and everyone going nuts over it. Enough. There's so much talent in the world. There's so many different types of faces. There's so many beautiful faces that we can celebrate. So I really do hope brands out there in the future, like, please utilize the different kind of faces, races, different genders, just give me something different. Like stop reusing the same bitches all the time. Like I'm so over seeing the same people with the same wing liner and everyone's gagging. Like girl, I mean honestly, use some abnormal faces. Use some faces that are just so selective and so different that can make makeup take it from this level to that level. Y'all get what I'm saying? So that being said, now y'all can shop BPERFECT Cosmetics. Kimora20 saves you 20% off. So today, bitch, we're about to play with some fucking makeup. We're about to play with some color. I'm gonna pull out some brushes. I have a wig that I'm very excited to wear today. And let's just get this going. I'm feeling, honestly, like, ooh, that's a lot of color. 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 You know what? I'm feeling, let's see, purple pulled out, right? A little green on the bottom. And then let's do like a little yellow. Okay, let's get fucking all up in this bitch. Because I'm playing with color, you guys, I'm gonna have the bake underneath, girl, because I don't trust myself enough to not. Let me just go ahead and get this nose while I'm at it, because y'all like to just fucking clock my nose all the time. Let's get all up in the eye, because you guys know Miss Kimora Blac rarely ever do color eyes like this. So y'all, I feel like you guys are gonna really love this color eye today, so get a little closer. Okay, so let's go ahead and get some purple on. Now, I need a brush that's fucking sickening. Like, I need a brush that's like gorge. I'm gonna get some purple here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the purple really tight. Okay, I'm gonna get that purple very tight. And honestly, you guys, like, I love BPERFECT. Like, they are known for their carnival palettes, and I love their carnival palettes. They're really, really pigmented. I mean, honestly, they sent me this one and I was super gagged. Now, we're gonna buff at the end, okay? So, y'all, I might look a little nuts kind of doing this, but I'm relaxed. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of that purple off, and I just kind of want to bring it here a little bit, like, you know, just a little tight. Let's kind of buff that out. And then let's go ahead and take some pink. Let's take some of this hot pink and just kind of like really buff it in there. You guys know, bitch, I don't be doing these fucking shadows, girl. Like, I don't have time to be fucking dealing with color, girl. But today, I am feeling it, girl. I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna do a boring brown eye to celebrate me being a part of this family. I'm gonna give you guys some fucking color. Give you guys some fucking drag. I kind of want to do purple, a little bit of pink, a little bit of yellow buffed in right here, a little yellow burst out, and then a lot of bluish kind of on the bottom. Yes, is it a rainbow eye? It might be, but that's okay because this palette is rainbow, and bitch, I guess, you know when you look at a fucking palette and you're like, what the fuck am I gonna do? Like, I feel like all I see is rainbow. Well, this is what it is. This is my rainbow. So taking some yellow, let's go ahead and burst that yellow right in the inner corner. Yellow is one of my favorite shades to use when you want to like kind of lighten something up and kind of make something kind of fun. It's like a transition color. Like, that's what you really want to use. And yellow looks good with every color. It always looks good. It's always like kind of pretty and, you know, very that. Now, take this blue and bring it like that. Ooh, okay. Take that blue and just kind of bring it underneath. And then take some of that blue and bring it right into the eye. Like, I want you guys to pinch that blue, but don't cover the purple. Just kind of create this nice little mixture of purple and blue. And then that purple brush you guys have, kind of take it. Now go back with nothing on it. Don't dip into the palette. Just kind of take it and kind of blend it out. And this is what you're gonna do, is that you're really kind of mixing the colors all up in there. So we love that, right? Well, bitch, we love this. This is very, very colorful. Like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, while all I'm doing is I am just kind of getting the color in placement, and then we can go back and we can edit it and we can kind of really give it like what we need to give it. So take it a little orange. Let's go ahead and just kind of burst that out and just kind of really blend. I think we're gonna cut a crease today, you guys, because I'm feeling it. Ooh, that's kind of gorge. Taking this pink, let's go ahead and just kind of add it. Add the pink between the yellow and the purple. Okay, just really all about mixing those colors together to kind of create this really pretty vibrant kind of moment. Okay, I'm loving where it's going. I'm really, really loving it where it's going. Okay, so now taking another brush, you guys, take a very thin brush, okay? We want to do like a very thin, almost kind of like this piece. This guy is pretty cool. This is a very thin brush. Now what I want to do is take a lighter blue and we're going to combine it with this color. Ooh, how pretty is that? So same thing here. Ooh, how pretty is that? And we're just really mixing those blues together to kind of create like this hue. This mixture of like there's more than one blue kind of look. And then you guys already know, bitch, I'm about to be adding black into this look because y'all know I stay loving black eyeshadow. So black eyeshadow to me it's just fucking sexy. So taking a little black, I'm gonna take a little Morphe black because I trust the Morphe black palette. This is a Jaclyn Hill. This one's called Dark Magic. And I actually really just love this palette overall. So taking that black and let's just pinch it right on the edge like that, okay? To kind of give it like that perfect little smoke moment. Now your eyes might get a little teary. It's okay. Ooh, look at that. And then same thing here. Ooh. Okay. Now the colors are placed. Like, I feel like the colors are kind of where it's supposed to be. And I'm gonna keep all the colors matte today, you guys. I'm not gonna sit here and fucking put all this shimmer on and do all that shit. I don't have time for that. Now go ahead and pull out, I want you guys to pull out a white base, okay? So we're gonna apply yellow. Like, yellow is going to be like the focus of this eye. So I feel like a white P. Louise base product is gonna be what it's gonna have to be, because white's gonna pick up yellow very well. And you guys can get this product on P. Louise as well. And I do have a code with them as well. My code with P. Louise is Kimora Blac 10. Now you guys can definitely get these products. I know you guys are buying these products and using my code because I get that, like I said, I see, girl. And honestly, when you guys buy these crease colors, you don't need to get them all the time. Like, they last forever. Like, look at how much I use. I just literally do like a dab. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna cut this crease. See? And you know what the great thing about this is that they literally just dry perfectly. Now, what I do with this part right here, this is the awkward part, is you want to take a little buffer, like a little buffer brush, and this is where you kind of want to just take it and just kind of slowly blend it, and somehow it just kind of blends into your skin, and I just leave it like that. And then you can go back with, like, what I usually do is I go back with like a shimmer or something, and then I kind of just apply it on top, and it just kind of disappears, so you don't have to worry about it just kind of sitting there. Okay, so same thing here. Now, once the crease is kind of like somewhat similar, the whole point of the crease, you guys, is you want the line to be as straight as you can. Like, I know that's like the biggest pet peeve of a crease. Same here, like that's kind of like what I want it to look like too. But I mean, if it's like this, like you don't have to worry about it because you're gonna go in and you're gonna edit it. Remember that awkward part? Taking that brush before it dries down. Let's go ahead and just kind of really buff it into the skin. See, it just kind of like gets in there. It just becomes perfection. So now taking out the purple brush again, you guys, we're gonna do a purple brush. I want you guys to dip it right back into the BPERFECT palette or whatever purple shadow you're using. And now this is where you're gonna start to kind of literally apply the shade on top. This is a very traditional eye. I see this eye all over Instagram. You're gonna take this eye and you're just gonna really make that white disappear. And that's how you really make that line go away. Now you can sit there all day and add a bunch of colors and all that, but today we're gonna do a little yellow, we're gonna do purple, we're gonna do some pink to kind of make it really rainbow-esque. Now taking a brush and let's get some pink on there, a little hot pink. And now everybody's lid space is a little different. Mine is obviously really small since I've grown out my eyebrows. You want to like just do a lot of like tapping motions versus buffing. So when you tap, you really do control the color. You get to kind of really see the different shades going on versus going in and going, you know, hardcore. Like I wish I had like a really big lid so I can do a lot of space, but I might have my eyebrows. Now taking the yellow, let's go ahead and add yellow. And it's just all about blending it as much as you can. Ooh, look at that. See you guys, it's all about just getting that color on and then going back and then taking your time. Okay, she's fierce. Now where's that black? Let's pull that back, right back out. The black's gonna really pull it in, watch. And just really tapping it in, okay? All right, you guys, are you guys still with me or what? How's that? Now we do come sometimes when it deals with mattes, you guys, we get these really weird, awkward areas. So all you gotta do is take that whatever purple brush you guys used, and I take a towel and I kind of just like treat it like an eraser. And I just kind of go back and I just kind of like really buff it and really soften it out. So you like soften it out a little bit. And then voila, how was that? Now, we did not set this part, so this gets a little like gross and icky here. I personally, like, if I use a white cream, I love to use a white base, like a white shadow to go on top. Okay, so taking the white, let's go ahead and just really set that. Ooh, ooh. Don't lose the yellow. Ooh, watch this, you guys. I'm gonna let y'all fucking have it right now. Ooh, I love it. I can't stop looking in the mirror. Getting that carnival palette. Let's get a little green in this bitch. Right here, just a tiny bit. This is what's gonna kind of really give it the fucking rainbow that we need. And green looks amazing next to blue. You ever wonder why? That's a good question. Why is the rainbow color the way it is? Like who made it like say, actually who said red is right on top? I wanna know. Like who said red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple? You know what I mean? Someone in the comments let me know like why is it like that? Okay, so now taking a liner. Y'all know I need some liner, girl. Bring it in. All right. Okay, now that's done. I am so obsessed with this vacation palette from P.LOUISE. Literally, like, it's not a blush palette. I mean, is it? That's a good question. It is whatever you want it to be. I love taking this blush color and just kind of like circling it around and just giving me like this little moment right here. Ooh. Alright, you guys, and voila, now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and pluck on some lashes, a wig, and a lip. I'm honestly probably gonna do nude, like actually like this kind of nude. Like I feel like this is gonna be like a hot nude. But yeah, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the final look, and yeah, rainbow, here we are. Yeah! I told you guys it was gonna be a very, 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 very colorful look. Y'all, I'm so fucking gagged by this hair. You guys, I had so much fun Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm obsessed with color. Honestly, like there's a part of me that wants summer to be here and just want like just to get out of this fucking winter bullshit. Like, now if you guys are obsessed with this wig, you guys can go check out my Instagram where I have all my wigs linked and everything is ready and set. I do work with a few wig companies that take really good care of me, and they are honestly priced amazing. And yeah, you guys, shout out to BPERFECT Cosmetics for allowing me and inviting me and being having me a part of their family. So that being said, you guys, now forever, y'all can shop on BPERFECT Cosmetics and use my code Kimora20. It does save you 20% off at the end of the purchase. Like, that's a sickening ass discount code. Like, bitch, what? I'm about to go use it right now. But in the meantime, you guys, I had so much fun. Thank you so much for banging out this eye with me. Thank you so much for getting me all inspired. I love you guys. Sound off below. Let me know what you guys think about this color eye. And do you guys want to see, like, honestly, more of it? Like, I know I rarely do colored eyes. And I don't know, for some reason, I think the universe was in the right place at the right time, and I killed it, and I think I did a good job, because you guys, usually when I do colored eyes, it's like, girl, what the fuck is going on? I love y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bitch, have a good fucking few days. I'm gonna see y'all in a few days. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Right here. Or right here. It's that little button.